This is my kitchen, Nimisha's kitchen. About this one, I'm going to make a pizza. First I shall familiarize you with all the necessary ingredients to make a pizza. Especially it is very helpful for the beginners in the kitchen. First ingredient is the base for the pizza. I am going to make the pizza base by myself. This is the butter. In the next video, I will upload how to make the pizza base. But the pizza base is available in most of the supermarkets. So we can buy and then we can start with the, for the beginners, we can, you can buy the base. The next one is, one onion. This is especially for one pizza. Onion, one green pepper, tomato, and then in some cheese also is necessary. This is to put on the top of the pizza. If you want, you can put other ingredients also. Whatever you want, you can put, like mushroom, pineapple, it is up to you. And then if you like, you can put some, you can sprinkle some oregano, thyme, if it is necessary, rosemary, and such spices also. Now this is the pizza pot, and then a pizza pot is also necessary. It will bake the pizza, and we have I can show you. This is the pizza pot, and first the base of the pizza should be made and put it there, and we should bake it. Now we are going to start with the base making. Make the base, put it on this board and use this roller and then flatten it. It's like a chapati making. Okay. When it is sticky, you can put some maida powder on the top. So that it will not stick on the roller and the pot also. Once the pizza base is ready, we can put it in the pizza oven. Okay, I can give you a tip. Before we put the pizza base in the oven, we have to sprinkle some maida flour in that one on both of the lids, and also some ghee. This is for the pizza base not to stick on the pot. I am putting something here, a small, making it small pieces, and then I am going to stain some of it on the lid also, on the top lid, so that the pizza top will not stick on the. Okay, now I am going to put this base into the pizza pot. The pizza base in the pizza pot. Another tip, sometimes it may not be filled, then we have to press like this, and no space should be left. It should be completely filled. The base of the pot must be completely covered by the pizza base. Now I am going to close it, and then I am going to put it for 10 minutes. You can see this is 5, this is 10. I put it for 10 minutes, and then I put the power on. You can see. This time we can cut the onion, tomato, and the green pepper, and then we can grate the cheese also. Cut it into very small pieces. base is ready. See, it's hot. Look, it's ready. Now we are going to make a batter to put on the top of this pizza base, and for that I am using tomato sauce and chili sauce. If you like more chili, if you like a want to get a hot pizza, you can use more chili paste. Okay, this is tomato sauce. It can give a sour taste. For hotness, we can use some hot chili sauce also. Mix it thoroughly. Now I am going to put these two sauces, mixture of these two sauces on the top of this pizza base, and after that I am going to put the ingredients. The pizza base is spread with the two sauces, and now I am going to put the ingredients to put at the top. This one. So for that I cut the onion, tomato and green pepper and into small pieces. I am going to add a little bit of salt also. So a bit salt just to taste, and then we can put it at the top. This is fresh rosemary. I'm putting this rosemary also later. And now this is the way in which I am going to spread it evenly on the top of this pizza base. I fried some chicken also. The fried chicken also I am going to put it at the top. Put it evenly so that the chicken pieces must be everywhere. When we cut, each and every piece must have the chicken pieces. That is why I am putting it everywhere. Okay, now what should we do? If we want to put some rosemary, we can put it the thyme or oregano. If you want, you can put it. I am going to put some oregano on the top and some rosemary on the top also. And already I cut some of the fresh leaves of rosemary, and so I am going to put that one also to get a nice taste and smell. And once it is done, we can cover this top with this one, the grated cheese. We are going to put everywhere. It should be covered so that it should spread everywhere. Now it is ready to bake. I am going to close the lid and put the power on. Okay, we have to keep it for 10 minutes, then it will be ready. I am going to keep it for 10 minutes. Okay, now it is 10 minutes. We can open the pot. We can see how the pizza is. Oh wow, it is ready. Now we can remove the pizza from the pizza pot and transfer it into another plate, and then we can cut it. See, The delicious pizza is ready. Now the pizza cutter is there. We can cut it and then we can eat. Thank you. You can try this pizza and then say the comments. Thank you.